Hi guys, I'm CMOS and this is another episode of Haul and Ass. Today I'll be going over the SNS air cleaner installation, and then in part 2, which will be the video after this one, I'll be going over the DynoJet PowerVision 3 tune. Either way, I'm sure you guys aren't here to listen to me talk all day, so let's go out to the garage and let's get this thing installed. Guys, welcome back. I hope the installation went smoothly for everybody. I know for me, I had a couple of kinks here and there. It took me about 30 to 45 minutes to complete. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button so you can get alerts anytime I upload a video. And if you guys have any suggestions, comments, leave a comment in the section below. My question to you is, if you guys don't like the music being played during the installation, if you want me to be more vocal, give you more instructions live, just let me know and I'll change that up for you guys. And either way, hope you guys enjoy. CMOS out.